Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by checking Model and MIUI so compatibility won't surprise you later. Open Settings or long press the home screen to jump to wallpaper options. This is faster than searching apps. Once there, choose Live Wallpapers or Gallery if you've downloaded an animated file. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and battery above 20% to prevent failures while downloading assets. You're ready for the next steps where you'll select Preview and assign the live wallpaper precisely. Now you choose the live wallpaper source, built-in collection, or a downloaded video or animated file from Gallery. Tap a wallpaper to preview. Make sure to test both home and lock screens since motion behavior differs. Use crop and resize to frame the action, then check motion settings like loop or play once. These affect battery use and responsiveness. Once satisfied, tap Apply and select whether it's for home, lock, or both. If your device supports always on display, link the option here. Finish by confirming Apply Finished and then return to home to observe the animation in context. If it doesn't play, reboot the phone first. Sometimes launcher processes need a restart. If problems persist, disable battery optimization for the launcher or the Gallery app so Android won't suspend animations. You can find this in Settings Battery App Battery Saver. As a quick test, switch to a static wallpaper. If performance improves, consider a lighter live option or update MIUI to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.